Hi guys! Today I'll tell you how to make a remedy for corns on heels. To prepare the buzz you need only 3 ingredients: 3 tablespoons of baking soda, a small piece of laundry soap and 1 liter of warm water. Rub the soap on a fine grater. Dissolve soap chips and soda in water. Dip your feet in the prepared solution for 30 minutes. After the time, wash your feet and grease your heels with cream. Repeat the procedure every other day for 2 weeks. Such buzz perfectly removes corns and make your heels beautiful and well-groomed.